Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To calculate how much baking soda you should add, first determine the amount of gallons of water in your pool. Then add 1.5 pounds of baking soda for every 10,000 gallons of water to increase the pool's total alkalinity by 10 ppm.
Take our lead.
As a rule, you don't add more than 2.5 pounds of baking soda in a day. Instead, start off adding the required amount, e.g., 1.25 for 10,000 gallons of water, of baking soda that can raise the alkalinity of your pool to 10 ppm. You can sprinkle your baking soda over the surface of the pool, or you pour into a skimmer.
Let's help you make your mark.
This means that when people dissolve baking soda in water, it forms an alkaline solution. For example, a 0.1 molar solution of baking soda has a pH of around 8.3. Lemon juice contains citric acid and has a pH of around 3. Adding baking soda to lemon juice will raise the pH to produce a more neutral solution.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can raise water's calcium hardness easily by adding calcium chloride. Adding calcium chloride in the hours before or after treating with soda ash, sodium carbonate, or baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, will result in cloudy water.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.